You have to take the cup out of your mouth before you can sing them. Now sing your ABCs. Did you forget what you were doing?
A, B, C, E, B, Y, G, E, F, G,
P. We can't whisper them.
Yeah.
Good job. That was a good job. Now can you say them out loud instead of whisper? Now say them really loud. Say A, B, C. Loud.
A, B, C, E, B, Y, G. Yeah. B. S, D, E, Y,
What is with the face? Are you making silly faces? Good girl. That was a good job. QRS. You're all done. Okay. Uh-oh, your princess cup.